Hello, today I present to you an honest review of this super nice adjustable jewelry stand by the brand HULISEN. So I absolutely love this jewelry stand. You can use this as a vendor, let's say if you want to sell your earrings or jewelry at a market, or you can use this for everyday use like I do. It looks super nice. As you can see, there are 5 different rows right here, and it has 6 little hangers from each row, so there's plenty of room. Not only that, but there's also these little divots right here in the center where you can put some rings, bracelets, really just anything else in here too, so there's plenty of room. It's also adjustable, so you can just go ahead and unscrew this part right here to raise it up, and you can tighten it, or you can go ahead and put it back where it was. And you can do that with every single piece on here, which is absolutely amazing. So if you're looking for an amazing jewelry stand, definitely go ahead and check this one out by the brand HULISEN. Not only does it have so much storage, but it looks really nice too. Definitely go ahead and check them out.